made a recent product which is made by us only, and this project is a new invention done by us. This is a vacuum cleaner, and it sometimes works as a blower also. And we're going to show you a small experiment about our product. So I'm going to show, the product name is V Clean Pro. Okay, so I'm going to show you how it works. You can see that it is taking all the rubbish with inside. So we can say this is a successful product.
I'm also the part of this team.
We guys are the part of the team.